Some early morning sunrise visits to Cabbage Tree Bay, Manly, Sydney, Australia, to shoot some drone videography using the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Here I use the DJI intelligent flight modes of Hyperlapse, Coarse Lock for the time-lapse videography, Waypoints, Quick Shot Helix, and cini-mode while engaging cruise control. Because of the longer path length of atmosphere look-through towards the horizon just before sunrise, there is a retention of the very long red wavelengths that are transmitted while having the scattering out of the smaller blue-violet wavelength end of the visible light spectrum. Hence the spectacular colour palette of reds and oranges. Here I do a slow tilt up and background reveal to establish location. Coming up from a plan view of the swimmers to a sunrise means going from a low exposure, -1.7, to a much higher, -0.7. Doing this is essential, otherwise the video looks well exposed initially to transitioning to a bright sun embedded in an indistinguishably black background. Yuck! Starting with being able to fly the drone and then building on that by developing better flying dexterity. Then comes adding to this an awareness of exposure and working to make improvements here. Too much light or too little light can spoil a video clip. Although videoing in autofocus, thirdly is focus, which to enhance is achieved by tapping the screen on portion of the video clip a localized focus is achieved, or rather tapping the screen side to get a wide screen panorama focus across the whole screen. The real challenge then is integrating these three elements of flying, expo, and focus together, along with zooming in and pulling back. Here the flight path is predetermined by using waypoints. This can be done at home. The drone points towards the east at 120 meters height to catch sunrise. Flight speed is set, as is inclination. Then the drone follows a path down to 6 meters height at about 200 meters away near Manly Point and redirects the camera southwest with an inclinational angle of 30 degrees downwards. That now is all autonomous and a smooth transition from the first to the second waypoint. I just have to time sequence the events, sunrise and the swimmers coming across, to optimize the video clip. Then I just have to sit back and zoom in and out and control the exposure. Too easy.